So, Chloe, I saw that you did a cover of the song Piliin Mo Ang Pilipinas. It was an amazing cover, but for you, what makes Filipino talents, musicians, different?
Siguro po yung mga yung dedication po natin mga Pilipino sa music. Kasi kapag sinabi po natin mga Filipino, well-known singers, ano po talaga yung ano tayo sa singing, especially sa karaoke, yun po talaga yung bonding natin mga Filipinos.
That's
And sobrang happy ako na nag-trend yung Piliin mo ang Pilipinas ngayon kasi doon po natin napapamalas yung ano ba talaga meron sa Pilipinas.
I agree. And very talented talaga mga Pinoy.
Yes.
Especially sa music. But Chloe, aside from singing, aside from music, you're also into content creation. So how do you manage your time?
Siguro po, lahat, binabalance ko lang po talaga kung ano tayo. Siyempre, pinapriority ko pa rin po yung na pinaka-gusto ko, yung health ko, kung nag-burn out man, siyempre kailangan ko lend ng time to rest.
It's really important. And I know a lot of people admire you, your songs, your music, especially your talent. And alam ko, marami kang supporters na gusto rin gawin yung ginagawa mo. I-pursue yung music. Any advice, any tips for them?
At tips ko lang po siguro na paniwala ko kayo sa sarili. And of course, breathe God. And kailangan po talaga ng discipline. Yun.
And how do you maintain yung powerful voice mo?
Lagi po ako rin practice. Hindi naman po always practice. You know, from time to time, I always sing and discover other techniques, types of skills of singing. So, yun po.
And let's talk about your latest song, Sino Ba Ito? Tungkol saan ba ang ganda nito?
Ano? Sino ba ito is about losing yourself after loving a person. So, after mo magmahal ng sobra, hindi mo na makilala yung sarili mo. Hindi ko, naharap ka na sa salamin, hindi mo nakilala kung sino ba to, kaya mapapatanong ka